Hey guys. Today I am gonna showing you how to remove shake of any video on any phone. Please like and share this video. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more video. I have recorded this video on my normal Android phone, so you can see it's very unstable. We can fix this problem. So first you want to open this video from Google Photos. Open Google Photos. Open the video. Click that icon. Click Stabilize. Wait for 2 or 3 minutes. And it's done. Now you can see the amazing result. Now see the two videos side by side. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share the video. Subscribe my channel, click the bell icon for more video.